Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting journey that many of you are eager to embark on, transitioning from a gym rookie to beast mode. If you've just started your fitness journey or are feeling a bit lost in the gym, this video is tailored just for you. We'll cover essential tips that will not only help you build a solid foundation but also motivate you to push your limits and achieve your goals. In this video, we'll explore key strategies for beginners, including how to set realistic goals, the importance of proper form, and the benefits of creating a balanced workout routine. We'll also discuss the significance of nutrition and recovery, which are often overlooked but play a crucial role in your progress. But it's not just about the physical aspect, we'll also touch on the mental side of fitness. Staying motivated and overcoming self-doubt are vital components of your transformation. Remember, every fitness journey is unique, and it's essential to celebrate your progress, no matter how small. So, whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, or simply feel more confident in your skin, this video will provide you with the tools and inspiration you need to transition from a gym rookie to a true beast mode athlete. Let's get started and unleash your inner strength. Understanding your fitness goals. Setting clear and achievable fitness goals is crucial for anyone starting their fitness journey. Having defined objectives not only keeps you motivated but also provides a roadmap for your progress. When you know what you're working towards, it becomes easier to stay committed and measure your success along the way. It's important to differentiate between short-term and long-term fitness goals. Short-term goals are those you can achieve within a few weeks or months, such as losing 5 pounds, completing a certain number of workouts each week, or mastering a specific exercise. These smaller milestones help build your confidence and keep you engaged. On the other hand, long-term goals are broader and may take several months or even years to achieve. Examples include losing a significant amount of weight, building a certain amount of muscle, or training for a marathon. Common fitness goals often include weight loss, muscle gain, improved endurance, or increased flexibility. For instance, if your aim is weight loss, you might set a short-term goal of losing 1 to 2 pounds per week. If muscle gain is your focus, you could aim to increase your lifting weights by a certain percentage over a few months. By setting both short-term and long-term goals, you create a balanced approach to your fitness journey. Remember, the key is to make these goals realistic and specific, so you can celebrate your achievements and stay motivated every step of the way. Building a solid workout routine. Creating a balanced workout routine is essential for achieving your fitness goals and ensuring overall health. A well-rounded program should incorporate 3 key components: strength training, cardiovascular exercise, and flexibility work. Each of these elements plays a vital role in your fitness journey. Strength training helps build muscle and boost metabolism, cardio improves heart health and endurance, while flexibility exercises enhance mobility and reduce the risk of injury. For beginners, a sample weekly workout plan could look like this. Monday, full body strength training, 30 minutes. Tuesday, 20-30 minutes of moderate intensity cardio, like brisk walking or cycling. Wednesday, flexibility and mobility exercises, such as yoga or stretching, 30 minutes. Thursday, upper body strength training, 30 minutes. Friday, 20-30 minutes of high-intensity interval training. HIIT. Saturday, lower body strength training, 30 minutes. Sunday, active recovery, like a leisurely walk or gentle stretching. Consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Aim to stick to your routine and gradually increase the intensity of your workouts as you become more comfortable. This could mean adding more weight to your strength exercises, increasing your cardio duration, or trying more challenging flexibility poses. Remember, progress takes time, so be patient with yourself and celebrate your achievements along the way. By following a balanced workout routine and staying consistent, you'll be well on your way to reaching your fitness goals. Nutrition basics for beginners. Understanding the fundamentals of nutrition is crucial for supporting your fitness goals. At the core of a balanced diet are macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients include carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, which provide the energy your body needs to function and perform during workouts. Carbohydrates are your primary energy source, proteins help repair and build muscle, and healthy fats support overall health and hormone production. Micronutrients, on the other hand, consist of vitamins and minerals that play essential roles in various bodily functions, including immune support and energy production. Ensuring you get a variety of both macronutrients and micronutrients is key to maintaining optimal health and performance. To fuel your body effectively, focus on whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods are nutrient-dense and provide the vitamins and minerals necessary for recovery and energy. Additionally, proper hydration is vital. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after workouts. Meal prepping and planning can set you up for success in your nutrition journey. Take some time each week to prepare healthy meals and snacks in advance. This not only saves time but also helps you make better food choices when hunger strikes. Consider creating a weekly menu, shopping for ingredients, and cooking in batches to ensure you always have nutritious options on hand. By focusing on nutrition basics, you'll be well equipped to support your fitness goals and enhance your overall well-being. Staying motivated and overcoming challenges. Maintaining motivation and overcoming challenges are essential components of any fitness journey. One effective strategy is to track your progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Keeping a workout journal or using fitness apps can help you monitor your achievements, whether it's lifting heavier weights, completing more reps, or simply feeling more energetic. Recognizing these milestones, no matter how small, can boost your confidence and keep you motivated to push forward. Another powerful way to stay motivated is to find a workout buddy or join a fitness community. Having someone to share your journey with can make workouts more enjoyable and provide accountability. Whether it's a friend, family member, or a local fitness group, surrounding yourself with supportive individuals can help you stay committed and inspired, especially on days when your motivation wanes. Beginners often face common challenges, such as time constraints, self-doubt, or feeling overwhelmed by the gym environment. To tackle these obstacles, start by setting realistic expectations and creating a flexible workout schedule that fits your lifestyle. If self-doubt creeps in, remind yourself that everyone starts somewhere, and progress takes time. Consider trying different workout styles or classes to find what you enjoy most, making it easier to stay engaged. By implementing these strategies, you can maintain your motivation and effectively navigate the challenges that come with your fitness journey. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection, so keep pushing forward and enjoy the ride. As we wrap up our discussion on transitioning from a gym rookie to beast mode, let's recap the essential tips we've covered. First and foremost, setting clear and achievable fitness goals is crucial for staying motivated and tracking your progress. Whether you're aiming for weight loss, muscle gain, or improved endurance, having both short-term and long-term objectives will guide your journey. Next, building a solid workout routine that incorporates strength training, cardio, and flexibility exercises is vital for overall fitness. Consistency is key, so make sure to stick to your plan and gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. Additionally, understanding the basics of nutrition, focusing on whole foods and proper hydration, will support your fitness goals and enhance your performance. Lastly, remember that staying motivated is an ongoing process. Tracking your progress, celebrating small victories, and finding a workout buddy or community can make a significant difference in your journey. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might benefit from it as well. We're excited to continue this journey with you, so explore our other videos for more insights and strategies to help you reach your fitness goals. Keep pushing forward, and remember, every step counts.